Let's get more updates on this case that has been recorded in West Bengal, which is the first case of coronavirus in the state. Now, the state secretariat from where the mother of the infected student works from. Also, we're getting to know that the government officials and others are using sanitizers. Let's get in further updates on this. My colleague Tamal now joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Tamal, can you take us through the details? This is the first case that has been recorded in West Bengal.
Well, that's right. A student has been tested positive after he returned from the United Kingdom on 15th of this month. Upon arriving at the airport, he did undergo the thermal screening process, but then at that point in time, he did not show any signs or symptoms of flu, and thus he was let off, advised to be at home for 14 days. However, a day later, when he did show signs of serious symptoms of flu, he was advised to undergo the test. And it was then when he was tested positive, immediately sent to IT hospital, which is at Beleghata in Kolkata, and he is now quarantined. He is there at the isolation ward. Now, after he arrived in Kolkata on 15th of this month, from 15th till 17th, he came in contact of three people. Now, that's in admission by his own self. He came in contact with his mother, his father, and the driver of the family. All three of them have now been quarantined, and at the same time, the initial doctor he had approached at a different government hospital altogether, that doctor and the helper over there, they too have been sent to isolation ward. So overall, 5 people have been sent to isolation because of one case which has been tested positive. Doctors are saying the student is responding to the medicine and that there is nothing to panic. Now, there is a different aspect altogether. This student who has been tested positive is a son of a government official. That government official operates from the State Secretariat building, the same building from where Mamata Banerjee operates, and operates other senior officials and bureaucrats. That mother, that lady, had attended office even on 16th, which means a day after her son came back from London with the virus. She was here at the State Secretariat, and at that point in time, she had not really shown any signs or symptoms of unease or discomfort. So that had kind of created a panic, but then the whole building of the State Secretariat has been disinfected, it has been sanitized, and Mamata Banerjee herself has come down to give this message of confidence to other government officials that people should not panic. At this point in time, if somebody is showing signs and symptoms of flu and it could be a matter of concern, respected people should be undergoing the test, and family members and others who fear they might have come in contact with the people, they should be sent to isolation or be in home isolation. This is not the moment to panic. This is not an excuse to ostracize anyone. This is not an occasion to, in a way, make people isolated. The reason why the entire state administration is working, the state government is saying that they have taken preventive measures to an extent of keeping 200 crores of fund, especially earmarked to combat the menace of coronavirus. However, given the fact that there is a massive inflow of outsiders, there is an inflow of foreigners, and also given the fact that Bengal is the 4th most populated state in the country, it is but obvious that the administration needs to be extra careful. So they are saying they're extra careful. They are taking preventive measures. They have taken precautionary measures. And today, in the evening, Mamata Banerjee would also be launching 173 ambulances, that apart 20 mechanized sweepers and 20 water sprinklers. All this to sanitize areas so that even if the virus is there, it can be combated and people can be kept safe. So yes, one case has been reported positive, but then even though several people have been tested, that is the only case which has been recorded as positive one, and the government is saying there is nothing to panic, nothing to be ashamed of, nothing to be scared.
All right, Tamal, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates. This is the first case that has been recorded from the state of West Bengal.